Today, I'm bringing you one of San Clemente's best kept secrets when it comes to restaurants, Inka Mamas in Old Town San Clemente. And I'm here with Stavros Lozano, the owner, and he is going to share all about it today.
Thank you for coming. I'm super excited to share some of the things that we feel like are worth spreading. So one of them is this beautiful space in the Old Town Plaza. I don't know if a lot of people are familiar with it in San Clemente, but it's been around since the 70s, I think. The family bought it from the city when it used to be the San Clemente jail, the police station, and the firehouse.
Wow.
They took it over in the 70s and then they transformed it into this little shopping area. A lot of restaurants have been through this building. I took it over during COVID and restored it, brought it back to its old glory, brought in a bunch of natural light, refinished all the surfaces. So you can see kind of behind me, you see some of the work that I did. And then I brought my family's culinary influence into this space. And so we've been in business for over 30 years. And yeah, so I brought like a refined version of a Peruvian soul food menu into the Old Town Plaza. Another secret is our menu. So we have a menu that's available online, but there's also what we like to call our secret menu. And so if you just come in and you're familiar with kind of Peruvian food, or you're familiar with some of the other concepts that we have throughout Orange County, you can ask about those and maybe we'll offer them to you.
Ooh. So tell us about the history of this building and the jail. I'm intrigued.
Well, the space was a functioning jail from 1928 to 1968. So for 40 years, there were two standalone buildings that were the actual cells. There was a police station just kind of off the corner, and then the firehouse. The family bought it in the 70s and then retrofitted it into the space, built the shopping center kind of around the two cells. I originally did not have the cells when I took the space over, actually. I just had the restaurant, but I knew that those cells were on the other side of that building, of the wall, actually. And then I begged the landlord. I said, please give them to me. Let me use them. Let me turn them into something fun that people can actually visit. And so I did. I turned it into, okay, I don't know how much of this I should say, but I turned it into a little bar. So it's a secret. It's a secret little invite-only bar that you may or may not get an invite to, depending on your behavior.
Okay.
So yeah,
be on your best behavior
or your worst behavior.
Oh.
It is a jail after all. So yeah, so that's like another aspect of the space and the business and what we're kind of trying to do here.
Can you share what is your favorite menu item?
I do. I actually have a couple of favorite menu items. Both of them are influenced by Asian cuisine. One of them is our ceviche, which is made with wild-caught halibut, and the other is a ribeye stir fry. So if you're into wild-caught halibut or, you know, a ribeye, come and get some of that here. We pair it super well with our cocktails. We have a full wine list, 4 beers on draft. Our buddy from Artifacts is usually down here helping us select some of our favorite beers. So you can definitely find his stuff here.
And Artifacts is a local brewery in San Clemente on the downtown Avenida Del Mar Street. So what is your address for people looking to find you too?
So we're at 111 West Avenida Palizada at the Old Town Plaza. It's just off of El Camino Real between Palizada and Miramar.
Yeah, right off the Palizada exit if you're not a local in San Clemente. And it could be kind of easy to miss. There is a great sign on Palizada, but the other way, so you got to be looking for it. But it is so well worth it for you to get in and take advantage of this really delicious restaurant. So anything else you want to share today?
No, just come and see us. We're here for lunch, for dinner, all weekend long. So yeah, come check us out.
Fun place to party. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more great local content, and we can't wait to see you here at Inka Mamas.